Imagine a chilly evening when you can't shake that stubborn cough or sore throat, and there's a soothing remedy just waiting for you in your kitchen. Mullein leaf, often overlooked, has been cherished for generations, whispering secrets of healing passed down through time, ready to offer comfort right when you need it. This humble plant, known for its velvety leaves and vibrant flowers, boasts a rich history dating back to ancient civilizations where it was renowned for soothing respiratory ailments. With every sip, mullein leaf tea can help ease that scratchy feeling in your throat, much like an old friend gently reassuring you after a long day. Not only does it bring comfort, but this tea is also packed with antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties, making it a powerhouse for your immune system. Imagine sweetening your cup with honey, a natural duo that not only enhances the taste but also amplifies the soothing effects on your throat.